Hey guys, what's going on? Sneed here, and today I'm bringing you a bit of a different video, rebranding the channel a little bit. We're going to be talking a lot about dirt bikes, motorcycles, power sports, all fun stuff like that. But today I'm here to bring you a overview and first impressions video of the CRF250F. So to start off with some general facts about the bike, this bike is a 250cc trail bike with a 5-speed transmission. This bike is great, it's very, very powerful, and it's definitely worth the price. It has front and rear disc brakes, unlike what it's replacing for this year, which is the CRF250F. It is fuel injected. That is a great change. Starts up super easy in the cold, no problems whatsoever. So far it's worked great for me. It obviously comes with a key. And along with the fuel injection, you're going to get the low fuel light. Looking at the handlebars, we have a kill button, no switch, it is a button, and the electric starter. Now, because of the fuel injection, this bike rides super smooth, accelerates really smoothly, the engine runs really well, never stutters, bogs. If you're good with the bike, this bike will be tons of fun to ride. The stock suspension does come with a boot, and the rear shock is adjustable. If you can see it there, it is an adjustable rear shock, preload adjustment. We have a 21 front tire and an 18 rear stock on the bike. The bike is a little bit heavy, like the bike it's replacing, weighing in at 265 pounds. However, the bike does not feel too heavy. It's got a great center of gravity. It's really flickable when you're out on the trail. The seat height is a comfy low at just under 35 inches. So it makes it easy for new riders or anyone who's never really experienced a bike before to hop on and feel comfortable and not feel overwhelmed by the size of the bike. Overall, with the smooth acceleration and manageable power, this is a great beginner bike for anyone looking to get into trail riding or anyone who is a longtime veteran and is just looking for a relaxed way to ride. This bike is absolutely fantastic. Now I'll go ahead and start it up for you. So simple, turn the key and push the electric starter. Give it a few revs. The throttle on this bike is really nice. Has a really nice feel. So again, guys, this is a great affordable trail bike. It's got plenty of manageable power. Feels real great. The front and rear disc brakes really help for that stopping power. It works great on the trail. I've gotten quite a few hours on it so far. The bike's just over a week old now, but it runs great. Super, super smooth, super fun to ride. Definitely would recommend it.